how to use one WhatsApp number on two phones. So if you want to use one WhatsApp number on two phones, then I'll show you in two ways. So the first thing you need to do is you just need to simply have two phones, right? So the one in which you are logged in right now and the other in which you would like to log in. So the first thing you need to do is open up the device or open up the WhatsApp in the device in which you have not logged in. And here tap on agree and continue. And now you will get this kind of interface, right? So simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and go for the option which is link as companion device. Once you choose this option, now here you will get the QR code or the scanner, right? So you just need to just keep your device aside and now choose or pick up the second device. And under your second device, you just need to open up your WhatsApp on your primary phone or the first phone and go for the menu, settings, and go for linked devices or link a device. So I'll just show you that. Open up your WhatsApp on the other device and go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Tap on linked devices and then tap on link a device and unlock to link a device. Enter your fingerprint or your password. And here you just need to simply scan the QR code which you have on your other phone. And once you've scanned, you will be able to use one WhatsApp on two devices. So that's how you can use one WhatsApp number on two devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.